Hello, let's solve another Leetcode problem. Best time to buy and sell stocks 2. This is a variation of the stocks problem and I would recommend doing part 1 first. Please find the link to that in the description below. The problem is similar to part 1 where we have the list of prices for a stock on different days and we need to make the maximum profit. The difference being we can make how many hour trades we want, with the condition being we can hold at most one share at a time. Let's see how we can tackle this. First thoughts would be to evaluate all possible transactions and select the best possible trades. But this would involve a lot of computations since we can make multiple trades and a lot of combinations are possible. Let's think of a smarter approach. For questions like this, it helps to visualize the situation and think of possible solutions. Let's have a look at the prices plotted on a graph for the given example. We have a 7 on day 1 followed by 1, 5, 3, 6 and 4. We see that all the green arrows means the price is going up and red means the price is falling. If we can do multiple trades, we basically buy on every day as long as the price is going up the next day. For example, we can buy at 1 and sell at 5 from day 2 to day 3, and then we can buy at 3 and sell at 6. So for the first trade, we are making a profit of 4, and the second trade, we are making a profit of 3. And if we add both of these, the max profit we can make is 7. Thus, visualizing the problem and understanding how much profit we can make greatly helped simplify it. It might sound too simple, but basically what we're doing is making a trade and a profit every time the price goes up. Let's have a look at another example where the prices are as follows. The price here always goes up and we can buy at 1 and directly sell at 5, or we could buy at 1, sell at 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and so on. In either case, our profit remains 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. And thus our max profit remains the same. So in our approach, we're basically adding all the situations where we can make a profit and adding them up, thus arriving at the max profit. Let's write some pseudo code to see how we can implement our solution. We can first initialize max profit to 0. And then we want to iterate over the prices. We can start from day 1 because we want to compare the price on a certain day to the previous day and check if it's greater. In this case, when it's greater, we just add the difference to our max profit. In this way, once we iterate over the entire loop, we've added all possible profits that can be made, and we can just return the max profit, sorry. This looks like a nice and straightforward solution. Let's have a look at the space and time complexity. We're just iterating over the list of prices once, so our time complexity would be big O of n, with n being the number of days. We're not using any extra variables other than max profit, so our space complexity is big O of 1 or constant space. Let's jump to Leetcode and code the solution out. We can first handle the edge case where price is empty and just return 0. Initialize max profit to 0. Then iterate over the list of prices starting from day 1. Now we check if the price on certain day is greater than the previous. In this case, we just update or add it to max profit. After we've run through the entire list, we can just return our max profit. Let's run this code for the first example to see if it works. Looks like there's a small typo here. This should be prices. All right, that works as expected. Let's submit the solution to see if it works for all possible inputs. Yes, it does. So for this question, we observed that visualizing or plotting these prices for different days on a graph greatly help understand what we need to do and possible approaches to arrive at the max profit. So in a lot of problems where we have graphs or something that can be drawn and visualized, it greatly helps explore possible approaches and arrive at the optimal solution. I hope this helped. Thank you.